Alright, back again. This is 58 Chevrolet. Trying to put this LS1 to a 4-speed manual M420 trans. The problem I run into with is the throwout bearing size. I had one too short and one too long, so I had to get the one that was intermediate in between. This is the Ram, I believe, 1550 Flywheel. Show you what I got going on here. This is the original throwout bearing. I measured just about 2 inches. And the factory GM other size is like 1.25 inches. And this one here is like 1.497 thousandths of an inch. 1625-12 FM max. So give that one a try. The other one was a little too short. Couldn't get the pedal adjustments, and this one here, when I put it in, it was up against the flywheel too much. So hopefully this helps out somebody if they're mating an LS1 up to a M420 trans, or I believe the M465 would be the same.